729 code review speedrun time. So in the system index, we've created editor controller general. This is a new system, and we're going to extract most of the functions from keymast and renamespace them and put them there. This is the constant section for edicgen. There should be no constants for it. This is the data section for edicgen. There should be no data because edicgen is a function-only system. Inside of the edicgen function section, we have just cut and pasted a whole bunch of stuff and renamespaced it. So this has been renamespaced from keymast right here, and then if we scroll down, we'll find the next function, renamespaced from keymast, this thing right here, and then if we scroll down, renamespaced from keymast, and then one more function, I believe. No, I guess we covered them all. Okay, so this is the editor controller number 1 function section. And inside of this function, we are calling that renamespaced EVT ask helper function that used to belong to keyboard master. And let's scroll down here because we have a whole bunch of things. So this used to belong to keyboard master. This used to belong to keyboard master. Scrolling down, let's find the other refactor site. So it's a very simple cut, paste, refactor, and namespace swap. That's all we're doing, just kind of recategorizing things. Okay, this was originally keyboard master. Now it's edicgen zoom. And then edicgen zoom again, but in the other direction. Okay, cool. So why are we doing this? Well, it's because things were out of dependency order. We're writing this code base with no forward declarations. So when you call a function, that function should always exist above in the code, not below. Okay, so in the keyboard master function section, we've taken these 4 refactored functions and turned the names of the original function into monkey wrench macros, and these monkey wrench macros are going to tell us what the actual function to call is right here. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So keyboard master down. Okay, so we refactor this. This now is part of edicgen EVT ask, and I think we might have it all. So let's go down. Okay, so this is what we did previously, and then our footnotes and whatnot, and then what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, then you will have to go somewhere else, my friend. Maybe Ninja Playlist 8. Because you are here on the fast tutorials. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry engine, and I am open sourcing it and documenting every single line of code.